Hey guys, welcome to Session 7 of Linux System Administration, Intermediate Level. As always, I'm your instructor Kevin Downs, and this is a course from coding-bootcamps.com. Today, we're going to be going over Introduction to System Security. Last session, we went over LAMP, configuring the Apache web server, common directives, Apache virtual hosting, configuring an open source database such as MySQL or MariaDB, PHP basics, and Perl CGI scripting. Today, we're going to be going over security overview, maintaining system security, server access, physical security, network security, security tools, port probing with Nmap, intrusion detection and prevention, PAM security modules, scanning the system, maintaining file integrity, using firewalls, and introduction to Firewall D. Let's go and get started with a quick security overview here. So Linux security is effective because it does not rely upon remote procedural code or RPC. This allows outside computers to give commands to otherwise secure computers. Closing network ports and disabling run level and X and netd services can ensure even better Linux security by reducing unauthorized access. So even though Linux is an open source system, meaning that it's visible, Linux security is not successfully attacked by outsiders at the rate of other proprietary software systems that are hidden. Linux security is also affected because malware for Linux is generally ineffective, which reduces downtime and loss of productivity. So let's talk about a couple things you can do to kind of maintain your system security. First is you can disable any unused services and applications. Next, you can regularly check some system logs to see if anything unusual is occurring. Third, you can consider port knocking. And guys, port knocking just secures ports by requiring specific patterns to be met before things are allowed through it. Okay, you can use IP tables, which we're going to discuss a little bit later. Okay, but essentially that's just filtering what's allowed from certain IP addresses and what packets are allowed through. You can also deny everything by default and set up specific exceptions. And you can also use an intrusion detection system. All good ways to increase security on your system.